Competitive Exam Assistant CEA 5 Concord. The word concord means agreement or harmony between people or group. When we use the word concord in the context of grammar, it is the relationship between a subject and a verb. Subject-verb agreement of a sentence. There are 7 questions. Let's see number 1. A great number of people dash come to visit the exhibition. Auxiliary verbs are given: have, has, was, were. Which one is a suitable auxiliary verb as a concord in this sentence? A great number of people, it is plural in structure. Also, it is present. So, have is the suitable agreement in this sentence. A great number of people have come to visit the exhibition. Next, neither of them dash invited to the party. Was, were, had, will. Which one is the suitable? Neither of them means none of them. Invited is a past. So, which one is the suitable? It is singular in structure. None of them, neither of them is none of them. So, singular in structure. Invited is a past. So, was is the suitable concord in this sentence. Neither of them was invited to the party. Number 3. My uncle and guardian dashed me to study medicine. Want, wants, have, wanted, wanting. Which is the suitable agreement in this sentence? My uncle and guardian, the same person. Not a different person, it's the same person. So it is singular in nature. So wants is the suitable agreement in this sentence. My uncle and guardian wants me to study medicine. 4th one, the conductor as well as the passenger dash to blame for the trouble. The conductor as well as is not cannot be used as an and. As well as is an expression used in a grammar to say not only but also. Sometimes we may confuse. As well as can be used instead of and, synonym of and. No, it's wrong. As well as is an expression to say not only but also. So it is a singular sentence. The conductor as well as the passenger is to blame for the trouble. Is the correct concord in this sentence. Next, a group of men dash standing near the shop. Are, were, have been, is. Auxiliary verbs. Are is a present, were is a past, have been is present, is also present. So which one is the suitable concord in this sentence? A group is a singular but men is a plural. So plural auxiliary must be used as a concord. So have been cannot be used. Have been must be used with time mentioning. It has to be used either for or since. So it is not possible here. Is cannot be because it is singular. Then which is the present auxiliary? Only are is there. So are is the agreement of the sentence. A group of men are standing near the shop. Next one, a group of men dash creating trouble. Was, were, being, have been. Which one is the suitable? Only one present auxiliary verb is given. Have been. Again here cannot be used have been. Have been could be used mentioning time period with either since or for. So it is not possible here. Then another plural auxiliary is only were is given. So we have to use were here. A group of men were creating trouble. Next, the moon as well as the stars give light at night. Give light at night. Do give light at night. Gives light at night. The moon as well as the stars dash. So which concord is suitable here? As well as, again it is mentioning not only but also. Cannot be used instead of and. So it is singular. The moon as well as the stars gives light at night. I hope you enjoy this. See you next. Thanks.